Designing new drugs is complex. Predicting how they interact with proteins is even harder. Today, we're demonstrating a powerful platform that simplifies this process, integrating protein folding, ligand optimization, and docking into a single, efficient workflow. Sometimes we only have a protein sequence. Our platform utilizes an AI model, named ESM-Fold, to predict its 3D structure, providing a crucial starting point for drug discovery. Click the Run button and wait for a second, we will get the protein structure. We then prepare the drug molecule, or ligand, by optimizing its geometry. This ensures accurate and reliable docking simulations, using efficient semi-empirical calculations. Configure the parameters of the semi-empirical optimization engine and click the Run button again. We will get the optimized drug structure. Before doing the docking simulation, we fold some modules up for clarity. The heart of the simulation is the docking process itself. We simulate the interaction between the optimized ligand and the predicted protein structure, identifying the most energetically favorable binding poses. Our platform provides control over the docking process. You can select different docking programs, define specific binding sites, and adjust the charge model to suit your needs. And then, we link the relevant structures to the docking module. We drag a protein visualization module on canvas to provide a preview of docking results. Results are generated quickly, presented in a clear and accessible format. You can visualize the docking poses, analyze binding energies, and explore detailed interaction maps. Click the Advanced button. In the Advanced model, we can further analyze the docking results. The interaction between drugs and protein can be shown clearly. We can adjust the visualization status and product publishable figures. We can also choose other docking poses. Click the Download button. The protein ligand complex will be downloaded to your computer if you like. This platform is under active development. We value your feedback and encourage you to contact us with any suggestions or requests. Thank you for watching.